Hi, I'm Sarah Jones with Blackmagic Design. We're here at the NAB 2024 booth showing off some of our new cameras. Right here we have our URSA Cine 12K, which is a new large format sensor. It gives you the option to change out between PL mount, LPL mount, as well as an EF mount. This is a step up from our previous URSA Mini line. The story behind this is that we were really just thinking, what is your dream camera? And we just wanted to tear things down to the base level and just start building up from that to where it's basically what is it that everyone wants in a camera. So that was our goal with this particular URSA. And with this, it's actually quite interesting because not only whenever you buy the camera do you get the body, but you also get several different plates and accessories along with that in a Pelican case or hard-sided case that's gonna get you going and get you out there without having to find accessories and all that sort of thing. That's $14,995 US for that. If you wanted this new EVF option, it's got it looks like an HDMI port, but it's connects up through and to the camera for electronic viewfinding. You can buy it separately, but if you buy it with the camera, that makes the entire package $16,495 US.
Can you give us a rundown on the specs?
Yeah.
It has a 12K open gate.
Yeah, so it is 12K open gate, and so you can shoot at 12K resolution, or just like our other cameras, you can actually dip that down if you need to, because some people don't need that 12K resolution, so they can go down to 4K or HD, and you're not going to lose the image quality when you step down because of the way that we process everything on the sensor.
What's the dynamic range, and is there ND filter?
Yeah. So there are ND filters in here and 16 stops of dynamic range. So if you're familiar with our other cameras, those are going to have 13 stops of dynamic range typically across the board, but this one actually has those 16 stops. So you're going to get a lot more dynamic range with the URSA Cine 12K. And then here on the back, it's actually you get a B mount option for the battery plate. In the past, we've really only done V-lock and gold mount, but we do provide the ability to do B-mount batteries as well.
So the battery comes with the package?
The battery itself, no, that's still a third-party option. But yeah, we're just providing people with more mount options. And then also on the backside, you still have your typical SDI out, but what's actually an interesting feature of the new cameras is when you're recording Blackmagic RAW, it's also simultaneously going to be creating proxy files along with that. And if you're out on a film set and you have the ability to uplink to elsewhere, you can actually start uploading those proxies onto the Blackmagic cloud, and your post-production or your producers or whoever might be off-site can actually access that footage ahead of time, so you can continue your day of shooting and then get those proxies over there to start working on. Here on the other side of the camera, you're going to get this nice large screen for you to see things. So this is a really good, it's out of focus right now, but this would be a really good station for like your focus puller, so that they can see things while you as the camera operator are going to be over here on this side, still looking through the EVF, or even potentially looking through the large flip out screen here where you can access the menu options. With the URSA Cine 12K, we've introduced this media module. Let me just go ahead and flip that out. So this comes with the camera. There will be 8 terabytes of storage installed already for you. There will be an option
for expansion.
Yeah, so there will be an option to buy another 8 terabyte to expand that out to 16 terabytes. So what's nice about this is if you get our new media dock, you could have a few of these and essentially be swapping them as the day goes on. So that's definitely a new feature for us.
Is there also the option to record with CF Express or SSDs?
Okay, so there's the USB here that's going to allow you to connect up to external SSDs. So you just flip this open, and there's a USB-C port here, and so you just hook up that third-party USB-C connected SSD. And once this starts shipping, we should have a list of certified media on our website that you can choose from. So, yeah.
Thank you.